Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright bro, let's get the ramps out. Everyone else is already gone and loaded up. So we had to raise the rear up, we changed the oil, we mounted the fuel pressure regulator. I tightened the timing belt, it was a little loose. I tightened the timing belt. Once we got that off, we noticed we were missing the little idler that is the tensioner for the other belt there, the balance shaft belt. That we needed that idler so that everything could be tight and be right with the tensioner and everything. So we got one of those real quick. We got it all timed up, we got everything going good. We ripped it, everything is freaking awesome, super smooth. Car is great. And so we're grabbing the ramps now. Brett's pulling the ramps out. We're about to get this guy all loaded up and we'll head off to ICC in the morning, and it's gonna be awesome. I am so excited. They got Hondaroo all done, the van's going, and we've got some monster Civics coming from the shop. This is an all-wheel drive K-Series Civic, and this is a B-Series with a dog box. It is a monster all around. Car is a beast. As well as we've got our pit bikes and everything as usual. We're gonna have a blast. I hope you guys are all ready, because we're ready, and this is gonna be sick. All right, ready to party, dog?
Ready to party, dog.
I'm excited, dude.
Ready?
Looks good in the light. Awesome. Got her all centered up. We're gonna strap this bad boy down and let's let her rip. You guys ready? I'm ready. Awesome. So we made it to Omaha. It was a nice cruise. Did a daylight drive this time instead of the nighttime. We're gonna head out to a Carmi now, taking the Prelude to roll out. So we just landed, you know, me and Jordan already got down to the bar and Derek was out cleaning the car. So we were like, well, Derek, since you haven't had anything to drink, you're gonna drive, bro. So he's cruising the Prelude down to the meet. Me and Jordan are chilling. Make sure you guys get one of these GoofyBuilt shirts. They're freaking sick, man. So the cops showed up. We're gonna head out of here, head back to the hotel before they come over here to us. So everyone's starting to leave. Let's mob out of this place. All right, we made it back. But Jordan just got the loot up on the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and strap it down now, and we'll be headed off in the morning to ICC. Peace out.